What's popping YouTube? Alon here. Boom. Just a quick update. I want to let you guys know this guy over here, Sam Shepard from America, West Virginia, I believe. He's 19 years old, natural bodybuilder, fitness model, amateur class as for now. Sent me his workout videos the other day, wanting me to post them on my YouTube channel for you guys to see. So this is him, guys. I'm gonna post the videos now. There are four different cuts, different episodes. I'm gonna post them one by one for you guys to see, and hopefully we're gonna get more guys on my YouTube channel, as I really don't mind posting others. You know, you don't need to see me all the time. It's about just getting inspired by whoever inspires us. So if you got your videos up and you want me to post them on my YouTube channel, if you're a shredded, good looking guy and want to make something happen, you know, get some more exposure, just send me the videos over to video@alongabbay.com. I put the link, I put the address right here, video@alongabbay.com, and send it over to me. Send me a request and hopefully we can get you featured as well. So that's about it, guys. Just make sure you like the video and give Sam some feedback, you know.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sam Shepard, 19-year-old amateur bodybuilder, fitness model from West Virginia. I'm on spring break right now from WVU, getting a workout in Prodigy Wellness Center. I just want to give a big shout out to Alon Gabbay. This video is for him. Let's do it. Okay guys, second exercise, we're going to do 3 sets of flat barbell. Going lightweight on these sets, trying to go real good control, get real good form. See way too many people in the gym nowadays. They got egos, they want to do heavy weight, try to impress other people. It's not what it's about working your muscles. Let's do it.